Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to change font color in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find text. Click, and then we can add the text box. Next, we can start to type. For example, I type font color. And then I want to make it obvious. I click and drag the corner and press Alt to enlarge it. Now we can select the text box and then go to top option bar. We can find text color. Click, and then text color panel is showed. Next, we can go to here, default solid color. We can pick the color to change the font color. And also we can click CO to change the color here. And go back. If you don't find your color from default color, we can go to here, add the new color. And then we can click and drag to pick your color. And also we can change the color bar to change the color. And also you can type the code to change the color. Furthermore, we can have the option to change the gradient color. We can change to gradient. And also we have the default gradient color to pick it. So this is how we can change font color in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.